We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. Five-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.